lay back.
Fuck my shit. The what's going up?
The drop.
Okay.
There's a drop?
Well, it's not like you fall off, but like,
Oh, I love falling off.
Holy fucking shit.
yeah, watch out.
What's going on?
You're in four-wheel drive, right?
I guess, I don't know.
You don't know?
And my parents always told me that it turns it on by itself.
You have to go really slow with these. They've got for sure four wheels, so you know. But it's like a big.
I got you guys. I turned it on.
100-year-old.
Dude, I can feel it when I turn it on.
Like it goes smoother.
Yeah, I just turned it on.
You just turned it on?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's the one that tests 4.